boy, do I have some exciting news. It's so exciting that I'm actually going to put out an extra YouTube video today because I want to share it with you. So if you want to know what it is, you're going to have to stick around. Hi, I'm Wendy J. Haney, and I created this channel because I love quilting. And you know what? I'm to the point where I would love to be able to share that skill and share the ability to do that with others. Because if you are interested in learning to quilt, I'm here for you, and I can show you that it is not intimidating. I can answer your questions, and eventually you'll discover that quilting can be so much fun, and there is nothing better than being able to give a homemade gift to somebody. That's priceless. Okay, on to my great news. I now have a website. Yep, www.wendyjhaney.com. Yep, it's finally done. I love quilting, and yes, I'm working on this YouTube channel to help you be able to learn to quilt also and find that it's not intimidating. Well, guess what? I also spend a lot of time quilting myself and doing machine embroidered work, so that's kind of important too. And I figured, you know what, since I'm doing all of that, I might as well get out there and be able to allow people to buy some of the things that I make. Because you know what? It may not be for everybody. Yet you still want to give that special gift that says, I know you, I know that you love wine, and this coaster would be perfect for you. It shows somebody that you really care and you've gone out of your way to find the perfect gift just for them. So I'm going to show you a few of the things that I've got on my website. So I have coasters. If you haven't figured it out yet, I kind of like my wine, and my coffee, and living at the lake, and I like my rescue dog. So you're gonna obviously find some things on my website that have to do with that, because I assume if that's what I like, other people do too. So I have sets of coasters. This happens to be a set that has unique verses on each of the 4 coasters. There's others that are a set of 4 coasters that are all identical. Like, okay, this one might fit for some of you. Yes, I do need all this fabric, so don't mess with it. We've got this in white and black. I also, as you see with my coasters, and also some of them, I have coordinating dish towels. Uncork and unwind. Here's ones having to do with doggies. I love this one. Time spent with dogs is never wasted, and I love how it creates an image of a dog. I didn't even see that the first time I made this. And of course, I live at the lake, so you gotta have a lake rules dish towel, right? So I love doing my machine embroidered work, and I also do these freestanding lace angels, variety of collection, and dogs, and a few cats, so go check them out. Obviously, as I'm demonstrating things and making things, I also put those out there to sell. So this is a table topper that I finished that will be out on the website. The key thing with the website is, particularly when it comes to the quilted items, it may be one of a kind. I've used a kit that I can't get again, or that I pulled out of my stash that I've had for 15 years maybe. Or fabric from my stash that has probably had longer than that. And when that's done, I make one of them, and if you like it, you better grab it. So there you have it. So I am super excited about that, and I really wanted to share that with you. So there you have it. Go check it out. I would really appreciate that. www.wendyjhaney.com. Let your friends know. I appreciate it. So maybe you're not quite ready to make your own things to give, but you still want to give that homemade thing. You're going to have lots of baby quilts too out there. Then this is a site for you to check out. I'll also be doing my blogs that are kind of tied with my YouTube videos as well. So stay tuned for more of that. That is just getting started. Take care. Have a wonderful day.